We haven't filmed a video in a long time, at least for me, because usually when I film videos, I tend to film a ton of them at once, and then you guys see them, you know, schedule to schedule. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are excited for today's video, as I am. I have a couple of items that I want to show you in this video. Initially, I thought to make two separate videos, one for the pair of shoes that we will review today and one for the clothing haul, but I thought to make it a little bit more interesting and actually show you both things in one whole video. So I hope you guys you know, enjoy whatever items I will show you today. Remember, if you have any questions, you have to DM me on Instagram. And I know most of you guys probably hate me because I do take a long time to reply on Instagram, but just keep in mind that I do have a 9-to-5 job, and at the time that I'm, you know, in that schedule, I don't have much phone access, so bear with me, please. Now, this pair right here has been a pair that I should have had in my collection a very long time ago, but as I mentioned in one of my Instagram stories recently, which, by the way, if you don't follow me, you must go and do that. I mentioned that I care for sneakers that I actually want to wear instead of sneakers that are more towards the hype. So anyways, let's get right into the sneaker, which most likely is the reason why you clicked on this video. So now, for today's video, I am bringing back the above angle view, so I hope you guys enjoy that. That way you guys have, you know, two different angles and, you know, get better details up close. So now, this pair of shoe right here, as you guys can see, it's a Jordan 4 box, and I'm very excited for this pair, so we're just gonna go ahead and, you know, get into it. So let me initiate by saying that this pair came double box, and as you guys can see, the box is in very good shape. Right here, I'll give you some close-ups of the tag. Please pause the video if you want to review the tag, if you're like a sneaker legit checker and whatnot. If you care about those details, please do. I personally don't, because I don't sell these shoes, or I don't plan to resell them or anything like that, and I wear the shoe, not the box. So yeah. Now any other details on the box, just so you guys can see, it came in great shape. The top part does look a little bit beat up or like used and dirty, but again, I really don't mind it. The box itself is not dented, so it's a plus. Alrighty, so let's just go ahead and see what's up with the shoe. I'm gonna go ahead and switch to the above angle right now so you guys can see. So the retail pair also comes with this black plastic thing, which I don't know why they did this to me. It looks a little bit cheap, but it's all right. So same plastic wrapping as the retail. And then, as you guys can see, we have a beautiful Jordan 4 Travis Scott. And again, I know I should have added this shoe a long time ago to my collection, but I wanted to first add all those sneakers that I, you know, really wish to wear, and not focus so much on the hype pairs, but, you know, on shoes I actually wanted. So let me go ahead and take both of them out of the box really quickly. Nothing came inside the box besides the sneakers, no laces, nothing. So we're just gonna go ahead and put the box to the side for now, and I'm going to show you just for now the left sneaker, because I want you guys to see the Cactus Jack tag that it comes with. So as you guys can see, very, very nice materials. Super soft, and I do appreciate the fact that the sneaker does not stink like glue. It actually, it just smells like a brand new car, if I have to describe it. So yeah, so here you have the Cactus Jack, and then on the other side we have the Jumpman, which unfortunately does have a little stain right here. But I think I can get that out of the logo with maybe some alcohol. So I'll try that later, but that is 100% removable. So I'm not concerned at all about it. So that's that. And then On the shoe, hopefully this camera can give you some very nice shots. We have some very nice details, you know, along these like plastic parts of the shoe. They have some paint splatters and whatnot. So nice, very soft, and hopefully the camera can catch it, but there is some movement in this beautiful material right here. And then right here, same thing on the toe box. We have some shifting. I think the camera is kind of showing it, hopefully. So here you go. We have the laces, the mesh, and then the Jumpman, which most of you guys care about. We don't have no broken ankles, which is good. The arm that holds the basketball and the broken ankle are the biggest mistakes that some companies make. The arm, in my opinion, looks good, and then the shoes, or like the legs and the feet, to me look normal, but let me know down below what you think. Very nice patch. Cody, we're filming, brother, we're filming! Alrighty, you guys, so the next items I'm going to show you, they all came from DHgate. So we're gonna start with the first one, which is this Represent Owners Club hoodie. So the biggest, or like the best part of the hoodie is the back logo, which we have this huge Represent Owners Club logo, right? And then on the front, we just have this little chest patch right here. It does have the kangaroo pockets, which I love. I cannot, you know, not have them. And then it has this beautiful detail right here on the neck, which it's a button, and then it basically gives you a very nice shape on the hood, which I didn't think I needed, but until I started wearing the Represent hoodies, now it's kind of like, you know, a good thing to have. Cannot believe that I found this brand on DHgate, and this, oh my god, like I need to make a whole video about DHgate and all that good stuff. But I actually had these pants on my wish list on Farfetch. I was willing to maybe one day pay the price tag for these pants. So these right here, Cody, I'm filming, buddy. No, shh. Thank you. So anyways, like I was saying, I was willing to maybe one day pay the price that these pants go for on Farfetch, because I actually thought that I was never going to find these on DHgate, but I was wrong. So right here we have the Homme Plisse pants, pleated pants, and oh my goodness, like, let me show you. First of all, let me show you right here the brand so that you guys can see. I'm not lying to you. So Homme Plisse pleated pants, and then the quality on them, I would say, is really nice. They're pretty soft, and they are not that thick. So hold on. I'm showing you it wrong. Here we go. So here you can see all the nice details. These pants are so beautiful, and I cannot wait to style them on my Instagram. They're very stretchy. I believe I purchased a size medium because the seller said that these were Asian sizes. So I went ahead and purchased a size medium, which I believe is a size 2 based on the tags that I see here. So yeah, it does have pockets, in case you guys are wondering, and they are quite deep. And then it does have some belt lines, so if you do want to wear a belt, you could, but I'm not going to. So this right here is item number 2. Again, everything will be styled on my Instagram. And by the way, at the time you guys see this unboxing, like this clothing unboxing, Instagram saw it first. So just telling you, follow the account. Alrighty, the third item that I have right here is this Represent t-shirt. All these items are in hangers because, again, I unboxed it on my Instagram and every single garment has been washed. So what you see is what you would get after you do the washing. I did air dry them. I bought a hanging rack on Amazon and I basically just hang my clothes there. I air dry them. I do not use my dryer anymore on my clothes. I just feel that it damages my clothes. So anyways, here's the t-shirt. This one is a size medium, and as you guys can see, it would fit me just fine. It would fit me a little bit oversized, but that is the look that I'm going for. Otherwise, I would have purchased a size small. And then right here we have the tag, in case you guys want to see that. And again, cannot wait to wear this. I have so many clothes that I haven't worn because I keep just getting packages on DHgate. So, and then the last item that I would have to show you on this haul would be the t-shirt that I'm wearing. This one right here is a Represent t-shirt. It's a long sleeve from the Blanks collection. This one right here is a size medium, so as you guys can see, it does fit me pretty nice. It fits me just like I love my t-shirts to fit. Again, this was air dried. I did not use a dryer, so I think if I would have used a dryer, it would have shrunk just a tiny bit. But you know, all the details, super nice neck. I love how high the necks are. So yeah, thank you all so much. If you made it all the way to this point of the video, I want you to comment down below these emojis right here. That way I know you guys are a true OG to the channel. Remember, we're still holding the 5K YouTube subscriber giveaway. So as soon as I hit 5K here on YouTube, I'm giving away these pair of shoes. If you want to know what steps to take, go to my Instagram's reel section. Look for this post. All the steps are on that video. Make sure you participate, and that's pretty much it. Thank you all for watching, and I will catch you in the next upload schedule. Peace out.